This way forever. Byron Jackson.
Hello friends, welcome to Fitness in 40s. In today's episode, I'll be presenting a dish which is very nutritious, full of proteins, low fat and very easy to cook. It requires very minimal ingredients. So let me walk you through the ingredients first. This is a mutton dish. We will require half kg of mutton, half cup of white vinegar. Please note we don't have to use apple cider vinegar. It has to be white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, half teaspoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Let's mix everything. So this is how it looks after an hour of marination. Now this is ready to be cooked. So this has to be pressure cooked now. We will cook it in the pressure cooker for 5 whistles. That's all that is required for now. So let's go ahead and cook it in the pressure cooker and put it on the flame. This is how the mutton looks after being pressure cooked for 5 whistles. So the mutton leaves lot of stock. Please do not throw this stock away. This is extremely yummy, very nice and very nutritious and healthy. You can give it to your kids as soup or you can drink it yourself. We'll stir fry in half teaspoon of ghee. Since we have not added any oil or ghee so far, so it's okay to add a little bit of ghee. It tastes really good when we shallow fry it in little amount of ghee. Please cook it until it is slightly brown. The meat is slightly brown. Now one final ingredient to be added. I have taken 2 eggs, whole eggs, I've beaten it, added a little bit of black pepper and salt to it. So we will just add this egg to this mutton. Time to taste now. I will eat it with some stir fried veggies, red pepper, green pepper, broccoli and yellow pepper. So let's see how it tastes now. Delicious. So please try this dish out. It's really very easy to prepare, very nutritious. One serving of 150 grams contains around 40 grams of protein, around 350 calories, extremely healthy, will make you fit and active. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get constant updates on new recipes. Keep watching, get fit and healthy, that's the new trend. Happy watching, have a good day.
This way forever. Byron Jackson.